Hi, ready to make a new paper airplane? Let's look at this one. This is the Vulcan Warrior. I designed this plane for one of my subscribers, so let's do it now. To make this paper airplane, you can use a US letter size or you can use an A4 paper. First off, I will fold the paper in half horizontally. Next, I will fold the paper vertically from this corner to this corner. Make sure that you leave a gap between this edge and the crease we are going to make. And then I start from this edge, fold it to this edge. Now, guess what I will do next? Turn the paper over. Repeat the same step for this side. Fold this part of the paper horizontally. And then start from this edge, fold to this edge. Now, I will unfold the paper. You will have a weird shape of the plane like this. And as you can see here, I have a crease here already. I will fold this triangle shape here down to the center crease. And next, I will fold this part of the paper out, and as you can see here, I will leave a gap about 1/4 of an inch from the crease we're going to make with the center crease. Now we repeat the same step for the other side. I will turn the paper this way and I repeat the same step. We'll fix the other side as well. This is best to have a gap between this part of the paper and the other part of the paper. Now it looks very nice. I will start from the top here, fold to the bottom, and I use the center crease as my reference. Alright, turn the paper like this, and I will estimate about 1/2 of an inch from this edge along this crease. 1/2 of an inch, that means you can use the distance from the intersection of this edge and this edge to this corner, and just fold it in half. Now this is a tricky fold that you will see is in many origami. It's made slightly different, but the idea is just the same. Okay, I will start from this part of the paper and I will fold this edge to this crease. See how I fold this? It's a little bit tricky, but you can see that I also fold this hard part of the paper contour the center crease. See that? However, I will leave it a gap. Okay. There's a reason why I leave the gap. You will see it later. And I repeat the same step for the other side. I'll turn the paper like this. Just do the same thing. And I should fix this side as well. This looks nice already. Now you can see the triangle shape. When the triangle shapes, just fold it out and turn the paper this way. Because I'm right-handed, so I often turn the paper to the side that I feel more comfortable. You are welcome to do whatever you like. And then you see the top here. I'll fold it down. Okay. I will use the intersection of this edge to this edge as my preference, and just for this part down. Very simple. Okay, I will fold more a bit. Okay, so make a symbol like this, and then fold the paper in half. I will turn the paper again. Sorry for doing that. Now, you can use this edge and this edge as your preferences to fold this part of the paper down to create the wings. Okay. Make sure that you fold slowly and press it slowly too. We don't want to create any wheel marks or make the plans look bad. And I repeat the same step for the other side. Here we go. Unfold the paper. Make sure that you fix this part of the plane, because this is a hard one. If it's not fixed well, it will not fly well. Okay. Here we go. Still, we need to do a few more steps. I will turn the paper over again. Sorry for doing that again. And I will estimate about 1 inch from the corner here along this edge and just fold it down. Okay, now I fold the paper in half again. Lots of fold. And repeat the same step for this side, but this will be easier because I have the edge here is my reference. So just fold it. Okay, perfect. Unfold the paper. Okay, make sure that the wings are up a bit, and then unfold this stabilizer, and this one is so. Here you are, and fix the top here, curve it up a bit, and here you go. This is the Vulcan Warrior. But before you draw it, there are some more steps you need to do. First of all, I will create the center stabilizer, as we have elevated plane when it fly. So I will turn the paper over, and as you can see here, I will fold this part of the paper down to create a triangle shape, and I repeat the same step. I fold it to the other side, and then when I turn the paper over, I just pull this part up. Now I just create a center stabilizer, also is an elevator. Next, I fold the wings up a bit more and fold this stabilizer down, and be flexible. Sometimes you have to fold it up a bit, sometimes you have to fold it down a bit.
And here you go, this is the Vulcan Warrior. You can check it out, and if it's like well for you, like the video, share it with your friend, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time for a better paper headband. Bye bye.